He is famously regarded as the Missile Man of India. He is the one responsible for India's achievements when it comes to missile systems that India has. Today is his 91st birth anniversary, and on this occasion, we bring to you a short biography of his. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Due to poor financial conditions, he used to sell newspapers as a child to add to his family's humble income. Although he had average grades in school, he was very hardworking and had an immense desire to learn. He spent a lot of time studying and had developed a particular interest in mathematics. For him, becoming a fighter pilot was a dearest dream, but he failed to realize it by a whisker as he bagged the 9th position when only 8 slots were available in the IAF. He graduated in physics in 1954 and moved to Madras a year later to study aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. He then joined as a scientist in the aeronautical development establishment of DRDO in 1960 after graduation. His career started with him designing a small hovercraft. Later on, he was transferred to ISRO in 1969, where he was the project director of India's first satellite vehicle launch. The satellite vehicle deployed the Rohini satellite successfully in near-Earth orbit in July of 1980. Kalam received the government's LV and SLV projects between 1970s and 90s. He directed 2 projects, Project Devil and Project Valiant, which aimed at developing ballistic missiles from the successful SLV program's technology. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam somehow convinced Indira Gandhi and sought secret funds for these aerospace projects. His research and immense knowledge brought him and the nation great laurels in the 1980s. He also implemented the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, earning him the famous title, the Missile Man of India. In his supervision, the country made the surface-to-surface missile Prithvi, surface-to-air missile Trishul, and anti-tank missile Nag. He then went on to become the scientific advisor of the Defence Minister in 1992 and served at the same post for 5 years before getting promoted to the post of Principal Scientific Advisor to the government. Dr. Kalam played a pivotal role in India's 1998 nuclear weapon test, which was led by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. While the international community was outraged by the development and even placed economic sanctions on India, the Pokhran II tests in May of 1998 made Dr. Kalam a household figure. He also put forward a nationwide plan called Technology Vision 2020, which, according to him, was a fantastic way for transforming the stature of India in 20 years, taking it from a developing to a developed nation. He was conferred with Padma Bhushan in 1990 and the Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian honor, in 1997. He also wrote a number of books, and some of his popular books are Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, India 2020, Turning Points, and Transcendence. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the 11th President of India. Widely referred to as the People's President because of his simplicity, he returned to his civilian life of education, writing, and public service after a single term. On July 27th of 2015, he was delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management in Shillong when he collapsed and passed away due to a cardiac arrest. And with this, India lost the man who made India self-reliant in missiles and defense systems.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.